Hey, Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Welcome to Island Vacation Travel Podcast, where we explore how to travel smarter, live better, and create unforgettable experiences along the way. I am your host, Al Philosian, aka Matlo, and today we're diving into one of the hottest trends in travel, Bleisure travel. For those of you wondering what is Bleisure travel, it is a perfect mix of business and leisure, allowing professionals to maximize both work, productivity, and personal enjoyment during their trips. Now, in this episode, we'll explore the rise of leisure travel, why it's gaining popularity, and how you can plan the perfect trip that balances work and fun. From picking the right accommodation to networking while enjoying local culture, we'll give you practical tips to make your next business trip much more fulfilling. Trust me, by the end of this episode, you'll want to turn every work trip into a mini adventure. All right? Now, let's get started with the basics. What is leisure travel? It is a blend of business and leisure, where professionals extend their business trips to explore their destinations and enjoy some downtime. Now, this trend has taken off as remote workers and flexible schedules have made it easier to work from virtually anywhere around the world, and that makes it much more enjoyable. Now, a survey by the Global Business Travel Association found that 80, that is 80% of business travelers are interested in extending their trips for leisure. It's not just working, it's about finding balance, right? What are the benefits of the leisure travel, you would ask, right? Better work life balance. Simple. Opportunity to explore new cultures without taking extra vacation days, increased productivity and mental refreshment, just to name a few. Now, I've tried it myself, and let me tell you, it is an absolute game changer. Imagine working and living on a cruise ship, and you get to go out in every single country or every single port, because sometimes it could be more than one port in the same country, right? Now, imagine landing in Jamaica and you could go out in Montego Bay and you could go out in Negril. Amazing, right? That's what we're talking about. Now, it makes work travel so much more rewarding, guys. I can vouch for that, right? Now, we're just getting started with you to do today's episode on glacier travel. After this break, we'll share some tips to help you plan the perfect business and leisure trip. Stay tuned. Now, this episode is actually brought to you by Eric Javits Luxury Sun Hats, your trusted partner for luxury sun hats. Check out www.ericsunhats.com. That's ERICJAVITS.com to learn more and use our code Island Vacation. That's one word. Island Vacation. ISLAND VACATION. Let them know Island Vacation Travel Podcast sent you. Now, guys, let us get started. Now, guys, welcome back. Now that you know exactly what leisure travel is and why it's popular, let's talk about how to plan your trip to get the best out of both worlds. Number one on the list, plan ahead. The key to successful leisure trips is planning. Extend your trip a day or two either before or after your work commitments to explore the destination. Research local attractions ahead of time, whether it's iconic landmarks, hidden gems, or unique cultural experiences. It's all worth it. Having a great plan ensures you don't waste any of your leisure time finding out what to do. That is the biggest downfall, right? Getting to the location and just realizing you don't know what to do or you don't know where to go, right? So plan ahead. Number two on the list, choose the right accommodation. Stay at hotels that cater to both leisure and leisure travelers. Look for amenities like business centers, meeting spaces, fitness facilities, and proximity to major attractions. Many hotels now offer packages specifically for leisure travel. Travelers combining meeting rooms, access with spa discounts, or even sightseeing tours. They kind of like combine those products so that they could actually encourage people who are traveling to enjoy the amenities in the hotel, right? Number three on the list, pack smart. Very important. Pack smart. Versatility is key. Pack clothing that transitions easily from business meetings to casual outings. Think neutral blazers, wrinkle free shirts, and comfortable shoes. Most importantly, especially if you're in conventions, right? Don't forget essentials like portable chargers, a travel organizer for your device, and any work related gear. Very important. Now, we've covered the basics of planning a leisure trip, but there's more to come. After this short break, we'll dive into how to use your leisure time effectively and make meaningful connections while traveling, right? Do not go anywhere, guys. Let us take brief word from our
Hey,
sponsors.
what's up, friends? Let me introduce you to my latest travel must have Shimmerwood CBD seltzers. These aren't just any seltzers, they're combined full spectrum CBD with natural fruit shrubs from bold, refreshing flavors like razzle lime, chai cherry, and ginger orange. Whether I'm unwinding after a long day of exploring or just taking a moment to chill, these drinks are a perfect companion. They're free of added sugar, caffeine, or artificial flavors, which is what I absolutely love. So they're a clean and healthy, conscious alternative to sugar, sodas, or alcohol, which I absolutely do not like. Plus, I've got an exclusive deal for you guys. Head over to shimmerwood.com. That's shimmerwood.com and use my promotional code Island Vacation. That's ISLAND VACATION for a 30% discount. That's right. We earn commission when you use our promotional code, but trust me, your taste buds and stress levels will thank you. Trust us on it. You have a good one, guys. Enjoy.
All right, awesome, guys. Now we're gonna go straight into our segment, Time for Travel Update, where we give you some sound advice. And this year, we want to make your business trips more efficient and enjoyable by focusing on three key areas: optimizing your schedule, prioritizing your health, and master time management, right? Optimizing your schedule. Book trips early for better prices and flexibility. Use travel apps to streamline planning and choose direct flights or premium services to minimize travel time. Very important. Number two, prioritize your health. Stay active with hotel gyms or online workouts. Eat healthy by seeking local options or preparing meals, and maintain a sleep routine to fight jet lag. Right? Number three, master time management. Plan meetings across time zones. Use time blocking to stay productive and set aside downtime to recharge and explore. This has been your travel update. Make 2025 your most productive and balanced year of travel, guys. Now, welcome back. Now, let's talk about how to maximize your leisure trip time during a leisure trip and make it meaningful. One, you gotta engage in local activities, guys. One of the best ways to spend your leisure time is by exploring your destination. Visit museums, try regional cuisines, or attend local events. This not only helps you relax, but also gives you a richer cultural experience. Number two on the list, network through your leisure. Leisure time can also be an opportunity to build professional connections, attend local meetups, or events related to your industry. Even casual conversation during a group talk could lead to valuable connections. I personally once met a client at an inventors expo at a PGA convention that recently just happened. And it was completely unexpected, but completely rewarding, right? Currently, this person is actually assisting me grow the podcast that you're hearing me on right now as we speak, right? Number three on the list, you got to stay flexible. Now, while it is good to plan, be spontaneous as well. Some of the best experiences happen when you explore without a strict schedule. It just is. Number four on the list, balance work and relaxation. Set clear boundaries for work hours during your trip. This helps you fully enjoy your downtime without guilt or distractions. On the ship, I actually worked at night, so I could actually get a chance to go out in every port and in every country. Uh, I enjoyed during the day because I was able to just figure out the work life balance, right? So, this is just some little tricks and tips. Now, also, when I'm at the convention center in Orlando doing expos in those different hotels, I try to set time to explore the hotel's amenities or the building's amenities, the gym, the saunas, the cafeterias, the meeting rooms, the theme parks, the bars, the restaurants. That's just to name a few, right? To get a feel of where we are at and what the amenities they offer, right? Now, if you're traveling with coworkers, consider organizing a group activity like a city tour or even a team dinner, right? Team building, team bonding. It's a great way to bring team bonding and actually explore your destination. So that's a great idea. Now, we're just gonna go to our main sponsors, which is Eric Javits, which is our trusted partner for luxury sun hats.
Hey, friends, I have to tell you about this new travel obsession, Eric Javits sun hats. These aren't just hats, they're actually iconic. Imagine stepping off the plane and looking effortlessly chic, no matter how long you've traveled. The secret? The innovative squishy material. It's packable, durable, and springs back to shape after being in your luggage. Plus, they offer UPF 50 plus protection, so you're stylish and also safe. Honestly, these are a game changer for the travel days, the beach days, the yacht days, and the golf days as well. Oh, we scored an exclusive deal just for you. Use our code
Okay, guys, and do not forget to use our code when you visit ericjavits.com. Use our code Island Vacation. That's one word, Island Vacation. Thank you for supporting Island Vacation Travel Podcast. Let's get back to it. Now, guys, thanks for sticking with me today through this episode. Now, let's quickly recap what we've covered today. All right. Bleisure travel combines business with leisure for a more fulfilling experience. Plan ahead, choose accommodations with dual purpose amenities, and pack smart. Use your leisure time to explore, network, and relax, but stay flexible to embrace the unexpected. Right? Now, Bleisure travel is more than just a trend, guys. It's actually a mindset, it's a way of life. It's about making the most of your time, whether you're working or exploring. Time is very valuable. That's why we're trying to use time in the most efficient ways. With these tips, you could turn any business trip into a memorable adventure. You always want to make your adventures memorable, right? Now, that's it for today, guys. Episode with Island Vacation Travel Podcast. I hope you feel inspired to embrace pleasure travel on your next work trip. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends or your co-workers who could use these invaluable tips. I use them myself, my team use them as well. Don't forget to subscribe to Island Vacation Travel Podcast and leave a review, whether you listen to podcasts. Follow us on all social media platforms and handles, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and I mean Meta, for more travel insights and inspiration. Now, next time we'll be talking about top aircraft charter tips, navigating stress-free travel with chauffeur service. You won't want to miss it. Next time, guys, until then, my name is Al, aka Matlow, because I sail the waters. Big up yourself. Wishing you safe, healthy, and happy travels, guys. Take care of yourself. Signing out.